Can see or not? Can see?
Can, teacher.
Okay, so as what we did for the multiply by 10 just now, when 5 is in one's place, you just need to move the numbers to the left, and then you need to insert how many zeros for multiply by 100. You need to insert how many zeros? For multiply by hundreds, how many zeros you need to insert at the back? Is that very hard, the question? Teacher say when you
2 zeros,
multiply,
teacher.
yes, 2 zeros. Okay, and same goes to here. 12 multiply 100 means it moving to the left side, and then you need to insert 2 zeros. It become 1200. Okay, how about for the multiply by 1000? How many zeros you need to insert at the back?
3 zeros, teacher.
3 zeros. So 5 times thousands is 5,000s, and then 12 multiplied 1,000 is 12 thousands. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Still few of you didn't join the class. Huh? Okay, when a whole number is multiplied by 100, like what I explained just now, the digits move 2 places to the left, correct? And 0 is inserted in the tens and ones place when you are multiply it by 100. When the whole number, you multiply the whole numbers by the 1,000. So the digits, as I said just now, you need to move 3 places to your left, and you need to insert zeros in the hundreds, tens, and ones place. Please remember this, because in your exam, I won't be giving this kind of tables also, only for exercises or worksheets. Understand or not? Okay, and this one is the same. Okay, who can tell? I just want you all to find the missing numbers for me, because I don't want to repeat the same thing. It's the simple question here. When 2,235 multiplied by 100, how to insert the numbers here? Where we need to insert the numbers when 2,235 multiplied by 10. Anyone?
So, teacher,
Yes. Where are
it
you
will
looking at,
become
Adishwara?
the screen, teacher.
Laptop screen.
Yes.
Your eyes is up. That's why I'm wondering where
No,
you're
because I'm
going.
using the monitor.
Oh, okay. So
So it's 2,300.
2,300.
No, 22,350.
No, I didn't ask about the multiply by 10. Teacher said when multiply by 100.
Is it 10, teacher?
100.
So it's 223,350.
Yes. No, wrong.
Huh?
220, sorry, 2,235 multiplied by 100.
So it's 22,000.
No,
Teacher, I know.
Adish, you can use the calculator.
Okay.
Teacher, I know.
Wait, you can try for the 1,000. Get ready with the answers.
235,000
Hello.
or 23,500.
Yes, 223,500. Correct or not? Yes.
Yes,
So
teacher.
how
Yes.
if you, okay, Daniel, how if you multiply it by 1,000?
It will be 2,235,000.
Okay, very good. 2,235,000. Very good. Okay, how about the last one? The 4,889, when you multiply it by 100, what is your answer? Class, what is the answer?
Huh? Huh?
4,889 multiply with 100. What is the answer? Why the question is very hard?
No, teacher.
So what is the answer?
It is 488,900.
Okay, very good. How if we multiply it by 1,000?
For 4,889,000.
Very good. Okay, let's work on these examples here. Number 1, Josephine. Okay, get ready, all of you, with answers. I will call your names. I want you all to quickly answer the question. Don't wait. Don't make me wait for the answers. All get ready with the calculator and let me know. Josephine, number 1.
17,500.
Very good. Adishwara, number 2.
98,000
Oi.
or 9,800.
Okay. Herman, number 3.
205,000.
Very good. Sheng Wei, number 4. Shengwei, number 4.
26,000.
Okay, good. Daniel, number 5. I say get ready with the answers faster. Daniel.
Oh, yes, teacher.
Number 5, faster.
465,000.
Very good. Sheng En, number 6.
8,000,000.
100.
101.
18. 118,000. Repeat again.
8,000,000. 100,000.
118,000. Okay. Yes, 8,118,000. Okay. Wei Feng, what is the missing number there? Faster, I say don't waste the time.
Ayo, mana tempat?
Huh? Next is Jose and the next is Chia Yangi. What is the missing number, Wei Feng? Number 7. It's very
15
simple.
lah.
15 mean you have to tell 15 lah. Why so hard to open your mouth and answer, is it? Okay, Jose. How about the number 8?
1,000.
1,000. Very good. Chia Yangi, the last one. What is the missing number there?
789.
Very good. 789. Okay, Adish. Can you see the answers? Can so Adish, remove it, Adish. Okay, and the 200s here. 4 times 200 is the same I. Okay, so 4 times 200 is 800. So recall what we learned just now. If 2 times hundreds is 200. And then 4 times 200 means 4 times 200s. Hundreds. So 2 times hundreds. You have to write it separately. If the question asks you all to write multiply by hundreds, show me properly, and you should know how to separate the numbers. For 200s, you should know how to separate the 2 and also the hundreds. And then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times hundreds. Again, you have to write, and then 800 is the final answer. Any question? Any question for this slide?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, so who can try this for me? Now we are using the 6 and 600s. I mean 6 times hundreds. Okay, who can give me the answer? Faster can. Okay, I'll tell the name of the students who have to try the number 1, number 2, and the next one, number 1, number 2. Number 1, Luis Saw. Number 2, Jose. And then the next one, number 1 is Herman, and number 2 is Josephine. Okay, now get ready with the answers. Number 1, Luis Saw. What is your answer if 265 you multiply it by 6? Faster, can. Luis or faster, can.
1,590.
Okay, so when you multiply it by 100, faster. The answers, you just multiply with the 100 lah. What is your answer? Oi,
Later multiply with 100 or 600.
100. The answer you got the 1,590 just now. You multiply it with 100.
Mm,
Mm.
159,000.
Yes, correct. Okay, the second one. Who is the person? Jose, if I'm not mistaken. Correct? Okay, Jose, what is your answer? The first box. Faster lah.
606.
Very good. The next one.
$16,600.
60,600. Very good. Okay, Herman and Josephine. Herman.
1,435.
Very good. The next.
133,500.
Okay, very good. Josephine.
3,346.
Okay, the next.
I hate Mondays.
334,600.
Very good. Okay, so any question, class? No question, right? Aduh. This question also very
No,
hard.
teacher.
No,
No,
teacher.
okay, so
No, teacher.
okay, this one. Adish, never mind, can remove your answers already. Okay, and this one also same. I think Adishwara can remove the answers. Okay, this one also same. I think it's the same thing. Just now we did for multiply by 10 and we did for multiply by 100, and this one multiply by 1,000. Okay, 4 times 2,000. That means the 2,000 should have 4 times there. So 4 times 2,000. Let's, if the question asks, I want you all to take out the 2 and 1000 from the 2000. Can you all see the example given here? And then you can multiply. Again, you have to show 4 times 8, 8, and then times 1000. And then only the last answer should be 8000. Understand or not? Understand or not? Okay, so this one I think is the same thing, correct? So we move to the next one. It's the same. 123, let's say if you multiply by 6, and then the answer you can multiply again with the 1000, and same goes to 7 here. Let's say if 145 you multiply it by 7, and the answers you can multiply it by 1000. Understand or not? So we move to the next slide. Is it okay if we move to the next slide?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this one, Adish can remove already. Dividing by tens, hundreds, and thousand. Just now we have learned on how to multiply by tens, hundreds, and thousand, right? Now, how to divide by? You can divide this without using a calculator. As I taught last time, when you want to divide, you have to move how many decimal? You have to move to your left or to the right if you want to divide the numbers. Let's say the 50 divide by 10. Okay, 10 is only 1 0 there. So you need to move 1 place to your left or to your right if for the division. Left or right? Class. For the division. Left. Very good. Can you all see here? 50.
What number are you doing?
50 divide 10. So you don't have to use the calculator. 5 times 10, correct, 50. We have 5. 10 times 5 here, so we got 50. If the 50, we use the term multiply by, divide by 10 means you can move 1 place to your left, so you should get 5. Understand or not? And same goes to here. 130, when you divide it by 10, okay? So you are moving only 1 decimal place since this is a 10. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Understand, teacher.
And same goes to here. 1200 divide by 10. So you are moving 1 decimal place to your left. So it becomes 120. Can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. And also say yes here. When we are dividing, can you all see here? When you are dividing tens, hundreds, by tens, hundreds, and thousand is the same what we learned for the multiplication, but this time you are moving it to the 1 place right. Whenever you multiply by 10, you are moving 1 place to the right. How? Okay, let's say 50. 50 means 5 should be in tens place value and 0 should be in 1's place value. Correct or not? Yeah, so when we are divided by 10 means we are moving 1 decimal place to the left. Correct or not? We are moving 1 place to the left. So it becomes ones. The 0 should be in the tens because this is a decimal. Can you all see the decimal here? After the decimals, the place value should be tens. Who still remember the decimals topic? Can remember or not? The number after the decimals, the place value after the decimal should be the 10th. It's okay, we still have 8 more slides. Never mind. For Wednesday, I will start again from the division. Okay? We can start again from the dividing by tens.